Good morning, everyone. This is Pavani. Hope everyone is fine. So, today I would like to take for 8th standard the Treasure Within Part 2. Okay, in previous class, I have completed the Treasure Within Part 1 and you got to know about the interview between Bela Raja and Hafiz Contractor. So, how was Hafiz Contractor when he was in his childhood days? How was he and how he has become an India's leading architect? You got to know. So now this, okay, in the second part you will get to know the entire story, actually what was happened, how he has become, actually he doesn't know anything, he was not interested in studies, but how he became an India's leading architect you will get to know through this lesson. Okay, part 2. Let us see. Continuation of the interview between Bela Raja and Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz stumbled on architecture because he knew little French and less German. Stumble down means what? Got into chance. Okay, he got the chance to take up what? To take up architecture. So because he knew little French and less German, he was offbeat even in the pranks that he played. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. So actually why he has taken up this architecture, we will get to know. So now Bela Raja, how did you get into the field of architecture? Actually you don't know. You were not interested and you were getting nightmares about the appearing of mass examination. Then architecture means it leads, it completely deals with what? Mathematics. Then how come you have become an architecture? This was a doubt raised by whom? Bela Raja. Okay, so then Hafiz Contractor. In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50 percentage. Actually the people, those who want to take up architecture, they should have 80 to 85 percentage. But this Hafiz, he got how much percentage? Only 50 percentage. Then how he got the chance? Now you see, I wanted to join the army. Actually I got only 50 percentage, so I wanted to join in the army. I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. So now what happened, as he got less percentage, he decided to join in the army, but his aunt was not interested, so she has torn the letter. Then I decided that I wanted to join in the police force. Then he decided to join in the police force. My mother said, don't join the police force, just do your graduation. Then my mother is not interested to join me in the police force. Then she asked me to do my graduation. So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. So aunt is not interested and even mother is not interested to do both army as well as police force. Then immediately his mother told him to do what? Graduation. Then he went to Jai Hind College in Bombay to join in that for graduation. There I was to take either French or German. So when he went there, he has to take either French or German. Okay, any one subject he has to take. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French. So actually previous year only he has studied like what? Though I had studied French for how many years? 7 years. Though I have studied French for 7 years, but I did not know even 7 words. Though he studied for 7 years French subject, but he don't know even 7 words of that. So I took German. Then he decided, okay, anyhow French and German is there. French already I have taken, but I didn't get anything. So better I'll take German, he thought, and he has taken up German subject. Okay, German language. Then my German teacher died. So when he decided to take the German, his teacher was dead. Then now he don't have any other chance. So now here the college told me that I could change the college or take French. So now better, okay, if at all if you don't want to take French, our German teacher is dead here. So if you don't want to take French, better you join some other college, they said. Now this fellow, as with less percentage, he cannot join in other college. Then what he has decided, now see here. Now, who would give me admission in another college? He thought. They are saying that if you don't want to take up French, then you better join another college. Then he said, he thought that, now who will give me admission in another college? I had got admission in Jai Hind by influence. By influence means what? By recommendation, he got the seat in that college with that to 50 percentage marks. In other college again, who will give me? Like that he thought. So I thought, okay, I will take French, and I started learning French again. So again he decided, if I go to some other college also, they will not take me into that college. So better I will take French only. Again he started learning French subject. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. Okay, so he has learned French from home, from his cousin. She was an architect's wife. Okay, then I was going to the architect's office to learn French. So he used to go to her cousin's husband. Okay, so like what, he used to go to his brother-in-law to learn French. Okay, where he is going to the architect's office. Then Belaraja, was it then that you decided you wanted to do architecture? As you're going to architect office, by seeing that you have decided to do that, okay, decided to take that subject, like that. Who asked? Belaraja. Then what he said, actually it all happened quite by chance. Actually I don't want to take up architecture, but everything happened by a chance. Like what? In architect's office I saw somebody drawing a window details. A window detail is very advanced drawing. So now what happened, he was going to his brother-in-law. Okay, on his way he saw him, one person, he was drawing the window details. Okay, so he peeped in what he was drawing to see that. Then once the window what he has drawn, it could not open. Okay, the window he has drawn, that was very good looking, but it doesn't open. Who understood that? Who understood that? Yes, who understood? This fellow. Okay, Hafiz contractor understood that he cannot whatever the window he has drawn, it will not be opened. Okay, it could not be opened, he understood. Now see here, I told him that his drawing was wrong, that the window he had drawn would not open. So immediately he told, Hafiz contractor told to the person who was drawing that window detail, see man, whatever the window detail you have drawn, it could not open, like that he said. Then that fellow, will he get angry or not? Then what he said, he then had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. Then he got angry. Your architecture or myself? How dare you to tell me like this? Like that, both of them have argued. And at last there was a bet between both of them. And indeed he understood, the person who has drawn the window detail, he understood that it was wrong what he has drawn. My cousin's husband was surprised. So my cousin's means my sister's husband was surprised. So brother-in-law. Okay, so my brother-in-law was surprised. He asked me to draw a few specific things, which I immediately did. Okay, then you are saying whatever that fellow has drawn, it is not correct, like that. You understood. Then come on, you draw some things which I will see, like that. His brother-in-law told him. Then immediately he did. He asked me to design a house, and I designed a house. Okay, you have drawn the window detail, it is good. Okay, better in your idea, whatever the house you can put on the paper, you draw the design of a house, like that he said. And after that he told me to drop everything and join architecture. Then he told me, then what he said to Hafiz, his brother-in-law, okay, he has seen him the window drawing details, and also when he asked him to draw a house, design a house, he has designed it. By seeing that, his brother-in-law was impressed very much, and then he told him that you drop everything. Okay, don't do any graduation, this and that, better you join in architects college. Okay, architecture college, he said. Then now we went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. So now what happened? He got only 50%. How can he do? So immediately, now what happened? His brother-in-law spoke with the principal that he is my sister's brother. Okay, so I want he is having like what good ideas with him. So if at all, if he studies, if he knows about the theory, he can do better, like that. He like what he convinced that principal. Then on one condition, what was that condition? Okay, if he has to write the exam in the entrance exam, if he get good marks, then I will allow him to give the seat in my college. Actually he got very less percentage, with that I cannot allow him to sit in my college, he said. With the entrance, if at all, if we get good marks, then now see here, I got an A plus. So now what he got, Hafiz contractor got A plus in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cakewalk. So what is the meaning of cakewalk here? Something easy to achieve. The meaning of cakewalk is what? Something easy to achieve. So as he got A plus in the entrance exam, from then onwards he understood, okay, his life was like what? Something very easy to achieve everything in his life. I had never made a plan. He never made a plan before it, but I knew how something looked like. See, for example, before itself, like any exam, we prepare. Thorough preparation must be needed for that. But here, whereas if at all, if you want to design a house, he will never plan for that. Immediately, spontaneously, he will put on the paper when he gets an idea. Okay, so like that he used to do it. Then now see here. But I knew something looked like from the top. I had never known what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan what it would look like. Okay, so just he will imagine, and he used to draw it. I stood first in the class, first throughout after that. So in his class, he stood first. Okay, he was a first rank holder in the architects college. I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. So all this understanding from where he got, from his school. Okay, when he was at school, he used to play. Okay, different games he used to play. So all this understanding I got from my school. I had a friend called Behram Divecha. So in architects college, he got a friend. His name is what? Behram Divecha. We used to have competitions between us for designing forts, guns and ammunition. Ammunition means what? Supply of bullets. So what is the meaning of ammunition? Supply of bullets. So now here, each of us would design something in an effort to be different. So both of them used to do a lot of hard work in designing a different model. Then in school, when I was in second or third standard, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, so in his childhood, okay, when he was in second and third standard, one of his teacher, what is her name? Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me when he was small only he used to draw some sketches. By seeing the sketches, Mrs. Gupta told him that, see, you're useless in everything else but your sketches are good. So teacher told him when he was small only, you're useless in everything but your sketches are very good. When you grow up, you will become an architect. In those days only she told him that you will become an architect in future. But at the time he don't know the meaning of an architect. Okay, so now see here, I did not know at the time, but she was right. At that time I don't know, that time I was a very small child, so I don't know what is the meaning of an architect also. But now I understood what she said was right. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and told her. So once when he has become an architect, he went to her to tell her that really your words have come true. Then now Belaraja, why do you think you did not like studies? Then okay, you have become an architect, now everything is okay. Actually, why you thought like that? Was it because you felt you could not cope or you could not deal with the curriculum? Actually, why did you feel like that? Maybe you cannot cope up in studies, or else the curriculum, the methodology is not good in your school. Like that he was asking. Then Hafiz, I was very bad at languages. You don't know languages. Okay, you know languages, English, Telugu and Hindi. Science and geography I could deal with. So he knows what are the two subjects, science and geography, he can deal with. Maths was